Hi, my name is Fletcher and I'm making my first computer today.
Push that button, we'll see if it turns on.
Oh, I'm not in that camera shot, am I? No. Okay.
Oh, we've got to switch it on the back. Alright, do it again.
It turned on. Let me see the heater. Now lift it up and put it.
Hang on.
We did it! Now let's jump off this chair.
No, that's not OH&S.
I'll be your lips. Can you put games on it? And I will use it as a Can you put games
As a
on it?
car.
Yeah.
Well, you could put the rubbish from there into this box.
Alright, I think it's going to work, Fletch.
Yay!
Great.
What's the key gonna be?
Hey Fletch, what do you think of your new computer?
Good.
Do you like it because you made it?
Yes.
What are you playing?
Being racist.